Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into everything you need to know about Chudley's Working Crunch, the trusted choice for active and working dogs. Keep watching to learn about its ingredients, nutritional benefits, and why it's perfect for your hard-working canine companion. Chudley's Working Crunch is a complete dry dog food specifically formulated for active and working dogs. Whether your dog is on the farm, in the field, or simply needs a high-energy diet, Chudley's Working Crunch provides the essential nutrients to keep them going. This high-quality dog food includes a well-balanced mix of ingredients designed for energy, health, and vitality. The recipe features a blend of cereals, meat and animal derivatives, vegetable derivatives, oils, fats, and vitamins to support your dog's demanding lifestyle. It also includes essential minerals to promote strong bones and healthy teeth. One of the standout features of Chudley's Working Crunch is its impressive protein content. With 24% protein per serving, a 14 kilograms bag is designed to sustain your dog's muscle development and recovery, ensuring they stay strong and healthy through every task and adventure. In addition to providing energy, Chudley's Working Crunch supports overall well-being, offering a balanced diet that promotes a healthy coat and digestion. With its tailored formulation, it's the ideal choice for hardworking dogs that need a dependable food source. Ready to give your dog the nutrition they deserve? Click the link in the description below to purchase your 14 kilograms bag of Chudley's Working Crunch today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the link in the description below to order Chudley's Working Crunch 14 kilograms. Your hard-working dog will thank you.